Today is the day. Today's the day we probably die. We are going to be flying some kites today. Now that doesn't sound very extreme, but let me tell you, these things are not meant to be played around with. We got a little 2.5 meter kite. This is a little baby one. This will be a fun one to fly around. And then we have this fucking thing. This thing is so big, it has backpack straps to carry it around. This is the 8-footer. And someone's probably gonna die. Shit. So that's the plan today. We got a little bit of a breeze. Was not expecting it to be this windy, but so that might be a problem. We are trained professionals at flying kites, so do not try this at home. And remember to hashtag #BeDiesel. Now we shall set up the kite.
Liftoff has been achieved. All right, so we have a successful first liftoff. It's just too damn hot out here.
Keeping myself cold. Gotta protect the old noggin from the Okanagan.
The heat stroke's really kicking in.
I'm sweating like a beast, man. We can't even get this kite up and I'm sweating my balls off already. It sucks.
It's airborne. He's huge. Oh no! Pull up! Oh yeah, brilliant. Post-flight interviews here. You just broke a record for longest flight time at KSS. What do you have to say for yourself, Brett?
The tough one today. Gotta fight the elements, you know. Hard work beats talent. If talent beats hard work, remember that. I need some water.
Look who made it. The golden boy. He brought scones. You're forgiven. Oh no. Oh no, the tail. She's wrapped up. Come on, Brett, skate. The reject didn't do his due diligence on that one.
These things happen. Quite the workout for Brett, eh? Just sprinting around out here.
Seriously, man.
Oh.
Fuck. We don't need cardio. We got a kite.
I'm gonna drive by. We're gonna drive by. Oh shit.
Gets clotheslined.
Drops the kite on us.
Keep going.
Okay. 3, 2, 1. Pull on it, man. Pull. Somebody zoom in on the guns that are holding the kite, please. Oh, look at that. We actually have a steady go. It's so cute and innocent. Ooh. That could have sucked. Liar!
Hides behind me.
Yes. Ah!
So now Deming's gonna go, the reject. He has yet to successfully fly this thing. We're finding out you need to get a little bit more tension in the rope, so we're wrapping it around our wrist a little more. You should get it. Should get it. 5, 3, 2, 1. Got it. Just don't put it in the tree. Don't hit the goalpost. Okay.
Oh dear. This is why he's called the reject.
This is a real problem now.
So much more.
Ah!
Whoa, that was a big one. Okay, here, let's figure out
intact.
the shit out of it.
Hey babe, check me out.
You're ridiculous. Oh, did I bring this over with me?
Got that.
All good there, Brett? Yeah, it's white and dirty up there though.
You ready for this?
Just like you. Honeybee.
Get the swing and catch that one.
Holy fuck! There's a wasp nest in there.
Yeah, in the corner there
Bang
too.
on that thing, that's
Dude, that
funny.
thing is, look at the wasps in there.
So, we are not flying the 8-footer today. We are putting it away right now because we forgot a crucial element to kite flying is wind. And there is no wind.
Listen, it's all fine and dandy flying a kite every once in a while, you know, but once she gets stuck in the tree, she's gone, and there's nothing you can do about that.
There's nothing you can do about the trees, man.
And one of us will probably have to go to the emergency. That's the only way we're flying kites next time.
It's gonna be me. It's gonna be me going to the emergency, I guarantee it. Alright, so part 2 of kite flying. We have the missing ingredient. It's pretty windy out today. But the goal is to see how much airtime I can get with the 8-footer. So, yeah, we're just gonna do a few test runs here and then we'll be ready to go.
Oh, fuck, wait. Fuck's windy. She's fighting me. Okay. Just calming down her now.
Yeah, keep running with it.
Holy fuck.
He's getting dragged.
Oh, shit.
Oh, there you go. Do that again. Just dragging him.
She's definitely fighting today.
Yeah, she's fighting hard. Oh, look at that. A cute little sideways drift. Oh, that's adorable. The happy kite. Well, how was that? Good forearm burn?
I'm looking forward to the 8-footer if that's what it's going to be like. He's going for it. He's got his first flight up. Where is it?
Come down a bit. Come down. Oh,
Oh dear. Oh, he fucked it.
Man, she's hard to hold on to.
How is it?
I'm doing it, guys. Look.
He's fighting it. Oh. Just don't go near the goalpost. Oh dear.
Low to the floor. Here we go. How's it looking there, buddy?
You're looking great.
That's sweet.
Just don't hit the goalpost.
Oh, that's hard. Oh, the 8-footer's gonna suck. He's sitting down this time around, and he's getting dragged around this time around. He's going for a ride. Oh, don't tangle it up too bad. Don't tangle it. Oh no. Oh, he saved it. Come on, Brett. Yeah, and this is the little one. I can't wait to see what the big one does. What's your money bet? Me or Brett going to the hospital today? Me?
You have a frequent flyers card.
Every 10th time I go, I get a free lollipop.
Oh, yeah. How's that for an abs workout, Brett?
It's not bad for fucking heart.
You're doing great there, champion. Come on. Woo! Big drop. Can't even see. There it is. It's like an interactive row machine. And incoming crash landing. Oh, just kidding. Oh, Marcus, it's gonna be us. All right, Bretsky, let's go play with the big boy. Marcus and I are ready with the big boy. Got her all lined up, and it's gonna take 2 people to launch it. Brett, are you ready? Ready when you are, bud. Tell us when. Oh. We have a dud. We have a dud. 3. Oh, this is gonna take some practice, eh? Brett, call it out, buddy. Okay, 3, 2, 1, run, jump. Come on, you're good, you're good, you're good, you're good, you're good. Haha, we did it. Oh, no, no, no. End action. All right, tell us what. There's no wind. Where's the wind coming? Oh, the wind died. Fuck.
Got it, come on, Brett.
I got hit by a kite. There you go, Brett. Twist it. Oh, son of a bitch. Here, just grab it. And just jump. Fuck.
All right, reject is going. All right, here we go. We're gonna launch her up. Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh shit! You're manhandling this thing. Oh fuck! Stay out of the way of this thing. Oh shit!
Keep on that.
Don't put it in the trees.
Oh man, she pulls.
Yeah. She's not nice.
No, she's dope.
Don't put it in the trees. Okay. Hey, look at that.
I just wanna be high.